Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to this small girl's channel to come and see what she have for you guys today. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, as I'll be sharing you so many styling ideas videos. Do you know who I am? I'm a beader. I am a beader. I create different beaded accessories, item, and on this channel I share ideas on how to style those accessories, especially the ones I make myself. I share ideas on how to style them, and also various fashion ideas I'm going to be putting out. I would also be putting out some content about myself, how I maintain my small beautiful hair. You will get to know that I maintain my shiny but rough skin, and some other things that you need to know about me you will get to see on this channel, and probably some other life experiences as well. So if you're a lover of that, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. I love you guys. So there is this slitted black dress that I have in the house that I love so much, and it has been in the house for some years now, and I think I only wore it once. And everybody was like, oh, you look different in this dress, we love it, we love you, you look beautiful, you are different, you are this, you are that I actually styled with some beaded bags that I created, and I would like to share it with you guys, and just tell me what you think about it, and tell me how you would rather style the dress with a beaded bag, which beaded bag you style it with, and if there is anyone you would like to that you really love, you can let me know in the comment section below. So without wasting much of our time, let us into the video. I just love this white bag, like everything about it is so beautiful. Can't you just see that? Look at me now, look at me. Look at that white bag, so stunning. What am I dancing to? Oh, more, this is my favorite so far. The yellow bag. It's still the same bag. Anyways, Baganike. Oh, I love it. Did I even get that posture? Oh, the model in me wants to come out by force. The green is not bad too. Everything about it is just wow. Wow, guys, come back here. Where are you going? Look at the red too. It's not bad. You have to see the slit, guys. Look at the slit. That modeling passion in me just wants to bring itself out. Like, you know. Oh, look at this round bag. It's just too stunning. So stunning. Like, I really love it. I really love it. I really love it. Oh, incredible. A clean and pit. A clean and pit, rather. Ah, just look at it. Oh, the art bag. I love it. It's just unique. Oh, why is she so serious? Oh, that cute bag. I love this one too. I just love everything about this bag. So simple, does not have any weight. Like, just cute. The heart again in another form. Give them, show them, show them. Oh yeah, fine girl. That stayed till this time, thank you, I love you. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up, and also drop a comment in the comment section below about what you think about what you've just watched. Like, I didn't even know what got into me when I was making that video, but I love it anyways, and I believe you love it too, for you to have stayed to this point. So please drop a comment in the comment section below. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more and more of these videos and other types that I'll be making in the future. I love you guys. If you would like to purchase it, any of those bags you see in the video, please and please and please click the website link in the description below. The website link is there, as in it's there where you're going to buy it from, is there, so you can just click on the link and buy your preferred bag, and that's just it. You get it in a jiffy. So till I come your way again next time, same channel. Love you guys. Bye. Do you like my hair? I think I love it.